What's going on, guys? Jaxx the Bearded Hiker here. We're going to do some chicken fried ribs for you guys. We have some leftover ribs here from the PB&J ribs that we did. Now, I know there's going to be somebody out there that says, well, wait a minute, I don't ever have any leftover ribs. And I would say this, just cook you an extra rack. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and split these ribs just like you would like you were going to eat them. And we're going to fry them up. All right, guys, we got our ribs chopped up. Let's go ahead and make our batter stuff up here. I have 4 whole eggs in here going in with a 1/4 cup of milk. Just regular whole milk. We're going to go ahead and whisk that up. Get it nice and creamy. All right, in this bowl right here, I just have 1 cup of all-purpose flour in here. No seasoning or anything like that, okay? We're just going to put that out of the way here. In this bowl right here, I got 1 cup of flour and a 1/3 cup of cornmeal. We're going to go in with 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of pepper, followed by 2 teaspoons of paprika. And we're going to go ahead and just give that a mix up real good, and that will be our breading there. All right, guys, I'm starting out with just 5 ribs first, and we're going to go ahead first in the plain flour. Shake off the excess. All right, go ahead and toss them in your egg mixture here. Then into our little deal there. And then we're just going to go ahead and shake off the excess. And we're going to keep doing that to all of these till we get 5 of them, because we're only going to do like 5 at a time, because the temp's going to drop in our oil. And meanwhile, you do want to make sure that you're heating up your oil right now to 350 degrees. All right, here we go. Go ahead and drop these bad boys in there. We're at 350. May not be able to get 5 in there. I'm just going to go with 4 for now. All right, so I'm thinking it's going to take maybe about 5 or 6 minutes. We'll see. You just want them golden brown. They're already done, so you're just kind of heating them and crisping up that outside. All right, guys, we got our first 5 ready, and I'm ready to dig into one of these bad boys. This one looks pretty good. Let's go with this one. We'll let it cool just a minute. So I do want to say, before I bite into this thing, this is my first time ever making chicken fried ribs. So you're going to get my reaction on this. I don't know whether I should dip it in barbecue sauce or not, but I'm thinking let's just go plain for now. Oh my God. Hold on. Wow. I don't really know how to describe that. It's ribby and chicken friedy. Alright, guys, listen. If you have never had chicken fried ribs before, I would definitely say that this is a must try. It is a absolute must try. I'm ready to go fry that other rack up. Alright, guys, if you like what you see, like, share, and subscribe. So chicken fried ribs, do